Have you ever wondered how AI animated series actually comes together? Creating the visual is only part of the process. Without music, sound effects, and editing, the animation will feel unfinished. In this video, I'll show you the workflow I used to bring my AI animated series, The Last Prophecy, to life. We'll create the background music and sound effects with Suno, then assemble everything in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. If you upgrade to Suno Pro, they actually have the sound effects generation, which is pretty handy too. So I'm gonna use this to fill in parts where there are missing sound effects for the AI generated video clips. In this instance, I'm going to generate vehicle sound to put it into my clips. So after I've exported the vehicle ambient sound, I'm gonna import this sound into Premiere Pro. For my animated series, The Last Prophecy, the story is based in Singapore. If I want to put in a music at the very start of the series, it needs to bring out some kind of like uniqueness about Singapore, which is our different races. So I'm gonna use gamelan, the Malay instrument, bansuri, Indian instrument, pipa, the Chinese instrument, and also some Western instruments such as strings. And also for the prompt, I'm gonna describe what kind of music I want. Before we generate, we need to key in the prompt first in the song description and choose instrumental because we don't want lyrics for it. After we are done, just click create and it will start generating music in Suno. The whole process is very easy. I'm also lacking a sound effects. I need to have sound effects for paper swiping on the table or paper swiping on the surface. So I'm gonna generate these sound effects too. The thing about if you upgrade your Suno, you can download these sounds and music in WAV file, which is the uncompressed version. But if we are using the free version, we can only download the sounds in MP3 format. So this is something that you can consider if you want higher quality audio. After we have generated the music and sound effects, we have to go back to Premiere Pro to do the editing. The great thing about Premiere Pro is they have the audio effects denoise and dehammer, which helps to remove additional noise that we don't want. If we want to use DAWs, we have to buy additional plugins to support this. And this is a good thing about using this software. And another great function using Premiere Pro is the stretching of the sound. Because sometimes we need to match the motions, match the actions with the sound effects. We can change the length of the audio without having to change the pitch, which is pretty handy. After we are done with the sound effects, we can add in the music and see how the beginning scene looks like. Does it bring out some kind of emotions or does it bring some kind of tone setting for the scene? And that's the workflow I use to bring my AI animated series together, from creating music and sound effects in Suno to editing everything inside Adobe Premiere Pro. Every episode teaches me something new, and each step brings The Last Prophecy one step closer to reality. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical AI workflows, where I share exactly how I'm building a complete AI animated series, from story and animation to music, websites, and production. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.